things. I want to show you how the kitchen real quick. First, there's an undercounter microwave. You do open and close the button, not push doors open and close. If it doesn't start when you do press the start button, press right here. There's a safety latch, and it'll start just fine. Also, if you want to cook, there's spices here on both sides of the counter. Anytime you're cooking, I ask you to use the fan so it sucks up the air. Also, please no frying on the inside of the house. Please only outside. There's an outside grill we'll show you. Also, I want to show you the lights on the house. All the lights that have these 3 dots are dimmer, so if you hold it up or down, you can dim it. You hit it twice, it'll go quickly up and off quickly, you double tap.
Okay.